I've been in my pajamas all day today.
Yes, you have. And it is Sunday, so it's okay to be in pajamas. We're like brunch tasting today. Brunch tasting wine.
You didn't have to tell them that.
Okay. Well, your pajamas look great. Day 7. We're finding. Go ahead.
I'm wearing my red pajamas because we're going to be drinking a red wine.
Oh, I like that. You predicted the wine with your red and white pajamas. So, based on her pajamas, we could be drinking a red wine or a white wine.
No, it's red.
Okay. So we've tried 6 different wines. Oh, the I almost called it the Sauvignon Blanc, the Grüner, Veltliner.
Veltliner?
Cold. It was good cold.
Very good. Very good.
Very Pinot Grigio, refreshing, crisp. You know, you can't really
easy
taste.
to drink.
Yeah, you can't taste that. I mean, you can taste it when it's like room temp, but cold is the crispness that comes in there. So
Yeah.
I like it. A crispy, citrusy, nice wine. So today, day 7,
I'm excited.
we've had a pretty good mix of wines
There
so
is
far.
Japan on here.
Yeah?
Yeah, I knew. I was like, look.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
France, Italy, USA, South Africa, Argentina, Japan, New Zealand, Australia, Chile.
You know what's funny is like we haven't guessed American wine.
Yeah, I know.
It's probably going to be one from California or Washington or something.
Doesn't say anything about Africa on this box. So I'm going to restructure my...
You're going to say American?
No.
What are you going to say?
I'm going to say something from Chile.
Chile. Okay.
What do you say?
I say Japan.
Japan.
I'm going to stick with it.
Okay.
I don't know if reds come from Japan, but
We're going to find out.
we're going to find out.
And if it's a white, you're wearing the right pajamas. Day number 7.
All right. Lucky 7.
Right next to Lucky 13.
Don't look.
Oh.
Ooh, okay. Queen's Gambit? Gambit or Gambit? Gambit, right?
Yeah.
Gambit. Zinfandel from California.
Oh, look at you. Unexpectedly guessing an American wine for day 7.
Interesting. Okay.
Go back. Alright.
Very interesting. Are those deer?
Where?
On the front.
Let me see. They look like deer.
Very on theme. We don't typically venture off for try Zinfandels.
Yeah,
So,
not a-
I mean,
Go.
I wonder if this is 100% Zinfandel. It probably is because it's
We'll
not a
look at
blend.
it afterwards.
Um,
So, what are your predictions, tasting wise? Spicy?
I don't know.
Oaky, spicy?
This is really
Something
a wine
you want
I'm
to
not,
drink during Christmas?
it's really not a wine I'm familiar with. So, like you holding it, like you can see through the bottle, so it makes me think like it's a lighter.
Really?
Look, you can see through it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it's like a lighter color.
Maybe not as intense of a...
Yeah.
Gotta love a California cork, though.
Why?
It's easy.
Oh.
Easy to pull. Now watch me mess it up.
Beautiful.
Oh, it's very light. Almost has no scent at all.
Yeah.
Tradition and prestige. Interesting.
Very interesting.
Ooh.
Does it smell like baking spices?
Smells like raisins,
Interesting.
baking, spicy, raisins. It actually looks like very nice.
Yeah.
So you have that off red,
Cherry red color.
cherry red. Yeah, it's nice.
Yeah.
So smell. What do you smell?
I don't know.
Oak, raisin.
Like violet,
Yeah, something.
floral.
Reindeer. Just kidding.
Reindeer. What do reindeer smell like? Probably not good.
Yeah, probably not good.
Very alcoholic.
And it's another one that's pretty boozy smelling. You can see through it, so it's very light looking.
Mm-hmm.
Let's try it out. See what it.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers. Ooh. That's like,
It tastes cedar.
yeah. Maybe on the back end.
Uh-huh.
This is very raisiny to me.
Yeah.
It's like kind of sweet. It's very
a little
like,
bit sweeter, yeah.
if you were to take like raisin juice,
Raisin juice.
Prune
Grape
juice.
juice?
prune juice,
Prune.
prune
Prune's
juice,
a good descriptive.
like plum,
Yeah.
like maybe like
Prune.
aged plum, prune,
Prune's a good one.
pruning. It's very
Aged-
like,
Aged raisins are grapes.
yeah, no, yes. Grapes are raisins. Raisins are grapes.
I think a plum, or not plum. Prune.
Yeah, it has like a very like heavy prunish flavor.
Mm-hmm.
Huh. Any spice?
really early
It
for
is
a
very.
Red wine.
There's a ton of cedar now that you said that. I just smelled it after
I'm
tasting.
suggesting it to you.
But I just tasted it,
Mm-hmm.
and now that it's on my tongue, I can smell it way better. It's very woody.
Yeah, woody.
Yeah. But cedar's the right wood. It's so woody, spicy. So
Spicy, yeah.
so cedar is I feel like it always has this kind of like pungent, like spicy smell to it. That is
I just think of hamsters.
like the wood chip bed.
The wood chips in
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
hamster cages.
Okay, well, this might ruin the wine for me if that's what you're thinking. I think it's nice. I think it's probably too sweet as a red for my liking.
Mm-hmm.
The spiciness that we're tasting and the like woody spicy, I think is like baking spice probably that's mixed with some of the oaky or whatever it's aged in.
Clove?
Maybe clove. I don't know, but I
I
feel
feel like
like
I'm reaching now. I really don't know. Like, I definitely smell cedar.
yeah, it's definitely woody. It's definitely earthy, woody.
Do you think it's earthy?
Spicy.
I don't think it's earthy.
No?
Mm-mm.
No, I feel like anything woody is earthy, but I could be wrong. Woody is probably the better way to
Mhm.
describe it.
It's fruit forward, though.
Yeah.
So I wouldn't describe it as earthy.
All right. So this says Zinfandel only. So I would argue that there's only Zinfandel in this.
Yeah, 100% no.
It is 2023,
Okay.
which is interesting.
Yeah.
This California Zinfandel presents a rich bouquet of coffee, blackberries.
We didn't guess that, being coffee lovers.
I didn't smell coffee at all.
Yeah.
At all. Blackberries and red berries, complemented by subtle hints of grilled aromas. The palate opens with a smooth, mellow entry showcasing brown, delicate tannins that provide a refined structure. The wine culminates in a warm, lingering finish. I would agree with maybe on the back end I could still kind of like taste.
Mm-hmm.
I don't necessarily agree with the bouquet.
Mm.
I smell wood and like
Coffee.
raisins and grilled aromas. Still smell wood, 100% wood.
Yeah. Cedar.
Yeah, it is, and like it's very very distinct cedar wood.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, are you ready to rate it? Do you have some
Should
paper?
I look it up?
Oh yeah, you want to look it up first?
I can.
Your pajamas look awesome.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I love pajamas.
Yeah.
They're cute pajamas. They don't make cute pajamas for guys.
Yeah, guys don't wear pajamas, but only in movies or TV. It's not a thing. Where'd you get your pajamas from?
Got them from Target.
They're nice.
Target.
Yeah.
Target pajamas. Rich and intriguing history that reflects the state's dynamic winemaking culture. The grape variety is believed to have originated from Croatia can't say that word. Before making its way to the United States in the 19th century, Zinfandel quickly adapted to California's diverse climates and soils, flourishing particularly well in the Sierra foothills. During the Gold Rush era, Zinfandel became a staple for miners and settlers who appreciated its robust flavor and versatility. Today, Zinfandel is celebrated as one of California's signature grapes, embodying the state's pioneering spirit and committing to quality winemaking. Pizza, pasta with tomato sauce, roasted beef, barbecue, pulled pork, dark chocolate desserts, and vegetables, roasted vegetables.
So this probably needs food for me to drink it. So if you had something like that had some of that like more rustic flavor, grilled meat, pizza, something that had like good flavor to it, that had complex flavor to it, the sweetness would probably lend very nicely to that, which actually
it's not sweet, but it's definitely it's has a fruitiness to it.
Right. To me, that's the only way that I can describe it as sweet. It's not like a sweet red wine. It has this flavor profile that like maybe like how it coats your mouth. It's like a sweeter, like I feel like prune juice.
Yeah, prune is very accurate.
Yeah, it's weird.
Yeah, this is the same thing as the back of the bottle.
Can we rate it?
Yes. Let me get the glass. There you go, sir. Don't look. Don't listen either to whatever.
All right, we're writing down our scores.
Would you gift this wine? Would you drink this wine weeknight? People love a Zinfandel.
I know. I think for me to like really, it's probably a weeknight wine maybe. I feel like I would need some food with it.
Yeah.
Grilling barbecue ribs or something. That'd be good. That'd be good. I don't know.
I feel like a tomato sauce pasta or something.
Either way, pasta, barbecue, red. I'm thinking like tomatoes, acidic tomatoes. It's in barbecue and pizza. All right, ready? I don't even know if you could see this.
I hope so. Darken mine. Okay.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Oh, yours is low.
Yeah, I don't like it that much. 6.25. Not my favorite. I think it's decent, and if I would like to try this with a piece of pizza. Feel free to send me a pizza. I like Lou Malnati's.
Someone sent this guy Illuminati's from Chicago.
Lou Malnati's. They oh, that sounded great. I like Lou Malnati's. Send me some Lou Malnati's, please. 6.25. If I had food, maybe I would drink differently. Yeah, no, it's just
too sweet.
Too much resemblance to prune juice for me to enjoy it as a wine. I mean, it might be somebody else's thing, not my thing at all. I still like it better than the white sangria from Spain. It was like
How do we rate that?
I don't remember. It's like 5.
I think you give it a 4.
4 or something. So 6.25 for me, 7 for you. So you don't mind it that much.
6.57.
No, you're still 7, so
Okay,
stay with 7. That's why we write them down now.
Yeah.
No fluctuating.
Yeah. 7.
Unless something like really changes. Like I don't foresee this opening and getting better. I don't think it's bad. I just don't think it's one of the.
It's a lot to drink at noon on a Sunday.
At 8 a.m. on a Sunday.
No, it's not 8 a.m. But
oh boy. Interesting. Yeah, I don't foresee it opening up, but it is 23, which is interesting. So 2 years old. Go back to bed.
Okay.
Drinking wine.
Yeah.
Tomorrow is a white from
I don't
You
know.
going to Japan again?
No, a white from. I don't know.
I'm gonna say white from South America.
Can they do multiple of the same?
I would assume there's only like 7 countries on the box.
That's true.
So there's 24 days, 7 countries.
Say a white from.
Australia.
I say it's a Chardonnay.
Ooh, from where?
I don't know.
Okay.
But I don't know where it's from, but I'm guessing.
Chardonnay vibes?
Chardonnay, yeah.
Nothing like a Chardonnay Monday. Monday Chardonnay.
Chardonnay Monday.
Yeah, I say white from South America,
Okay.
if that's a thing.
Yeah. It's a good guess.
Probably not the right one, but close. Well, thanks for watching day 7.
Happy Sunday, guys.
Happy Sunday. Look forward to seeing you tomorrow.
Yeah.
So don't forget to send me that pizza. Thank you. Bye.